Alright, I hope you birders, whether you be hummingbird related or just birds in general or, you know, specific species like finches or what have you. I can hear a handful of different birds within about a block of me. Um, let's see if I can pick any of them out. A minute ago, I heard I believe it's called a royal blue jay. Um, they're kind of bullies when you have bird food around. They'll chase off the smaller ones like the finches. I think this is a dark-eyed junco that landed over here. He's got a little gold band right below his head. He's got at least two buddies. Yeah, cool. And they're always looking for stuff. There's, so much water. I'm sure that worm I saw before is gone by now. There's another one coming over here. There's two species right now. I'm trying to differentiate or figure out what they are. Maybe three. There's a fourth unknown. That other one I've heard of before. I forget what he was. He's kind of like a pigeon or something. Wow, these guys are really chatty. Oh, here's some black ones. I think these might be juncos too. Oh, there's a handful of them there on the lawn. One's trying to come up. He doesn't notice me. I've tried to stay really still. I'm already in a good camo coat just by coincidence. Oh, there's one species I've heard once in a while, and another one. So we're almost up to 10, just within, 15 minutes or less. And I think there's some more dark-eyed juncos bouncing around up here in the tree. One, two, three. Well, one of them left. Yeah, I never found the fourth. He's bouncing around on the roof. Digging stuff out with his feet. That's kind of cute. Kicking stuff up in the air and everything. My hands are full. I had to zoom in on him. Okay. Aw, cute tweet. I think there's two nests here at least. There's one in the eye of this tree up there, just as it forks. And then there's also one here with a bunch of branches crammed in the bottom because this tree like split like 25 different ways. It is a weird tree. I've never seen a tree do that in a long time. Okay, my arm's getting tired.